Hey gang, so I am jumping in just really quick to talk about this amazing brand that I have the pleasure of working with. The brand name is called Femme Detox. So I'm super excited to be working with them. They sent me some product. The product that they sent to me was their yoni pearls. Now they do have a couple of different products that they have. They have teas, they have body wash, and what I really love about them is that they are all natural. Yes, you heard it, all natural. So I'm really excited to be partnering with them in regards to their products. And I know you're thinking, have you used their products? Yes, I have used their products. So what they sent me was the yoni pearls and their gliders. And if you guys aren't really familiar with what the yoni pearls are, they are literally these pearls that you insert in your area, your womanly area, and it basically is the best way I can explain it is it makes everything balanced. So I have been wanting to use something like this for a long time, and I am just so just honored that they picked me to try out their product. It did come in a package. This is how the package looks, excuse me. And you guys can see it's open, so I have used it. And you guys, what I can say is it's refreshing. The yoni pearls in for 24 hours. After the 24 hours, you remove it, but I can tell you guys right off the bat, when I inserted the yoni pearls in, it felt refreshing. It didn't burn. It didn't feel like I had a foreign object. It was small. It was easy to insert. And y'all, I felt super refreshed. So I'm super excited just to see like the end results just from using the product. And I will keep you guys up to date. So if you guys haven't, this is how the products look. If you guys haven't, be sure to check out their Instagram. I'll make sure to tag them below. And y'all, buy their products. I can honestly say that I am very satisfied with the products that they sent me. I do plan on trying out their body wash, and I do plan on trying out their teas, because you know, y'all, we still got to keep this body of ours like in good shape. So yeah, thank you so much, Femme Detox, for reaching out to me to try your products. I'm super excited. I feel super honored. And yeah, y'all, your girl told you first. On gang. All right, bye.